Low we taxi, leave we taxi. You stop we are road and one kick and box we. Low we taxi, just leave we taxi. Go out man a road we are do crime like robbery. Low we taxi, just leave we taxi. As we touch by the road, say you want fi tax we. From 2008, I'm just coming in the system. I wasn't legal, I was illegal, I was driving a white plate. And for a good look while I drive white plate, but it was my car, I owned the car. But when I realized that, so I make the money, so it go back because you know say it's illegal and each time like transport or police take your car, it work out to like I say, like all 40,000 overall just to get back your car. You understand me I say? And that's from 2008 and them money there, you know. So imagine all now. But since what I call it, 2014 now, I start drive for people. I park my car on my own and start drive for people because I get my PPV and I try to get myself legalized now, go through the right channel. So get my PPV for my license and start driving for a policeman. And it start work out better. I realize that I put on money now. You understand me? Since them time I know enough till about 2014 in the car. I'll be honest with you. From your own taxi transport take my car 5 times. 5 times. But I drive one 1989 B12, Nissan B12. And a 5 times transport take my car. You say the 5th time I take my car, but just left it type on. I left it type on for 1 year and amnesty come say I can't buy it back. You as the owner get first preference to buy it back. You see me go down at that, a rat jump out of my car. So I buy back my car for $30,000 and then I end up sell it. You understand me I say? As I say now, fast forward back to start driving people and I realize I start putting on money now and thing. Yeah man, but to tell you the truth, it's rough for you man. It's rough for you man if you don't own a car for yourself. It's rough for you man drive the car and for say man put on money. For y'all buy a next car and put red paper and feed car, trust me. And I really fully taxi work make me get my thing up. I have a visa, I go overseas and I travel. You see me I say I look at means how I get money. Yeah. And so I come back and buy this so I can show it on the camera. No one. That car and my car, you understand me I say? So now, for all of them years, and since now, I drive my car, a 7-seater, I really see money out of taxi thing. So all with the fear raised on them thing there. The taxi man them deserve it. I understand say it hard for everybody, but gas raise every day. Yeah. That people don't understand say gas raise every day. I mean, I see nobody uproar about it. But as a taxi man say, yo, you know say I want 150, you want 120 for charge. To tell you the truth, that's lesser than that's 120 is lesser than $1. What that can do? We understand say it add up in about what that can do with the price of the gas raising every day. So people kind of take it easy, man. Overall, we for just try to find out why the gas are raised up so and try to make certain things go down instead of you pinpoint one man and say, yo, that's too much already. I understand that people pay for raise too. Because if them are going to pay more money for taxi fare and they pay an raise, you know, less money them are carry home. One loaf of bread less. So it just messed up overall. Yeah. But I realize that them like pick on taxi man. They never facilitate enough red plate for people to get illegal, you know, because if there was, I get legal for a long time, you know. It's never that easy for you to get an acne carriage, you know. So the pressure over the under, if you know, say we create a job then, since enough job never in the country. And I see how transport and some police, not every I have some good police, and some police pressure, I end up bill a show. As long as I say, low we taxi, leave we taxi. You stop we are road and one kick and box we. Low we taxi, just leave we taxi. Go out man a road we are do crime like robbery. Low we taxi, just leave we taxi. As we touch by the road, say you want fi tax we. Low we taxi, just leave we taxi. We are hustle, so don't try stop we. It gets sticky, so we get grief. Mr. Transport, we not rob nor thief and we get a red plate. It's not very cheap, and all we get it if we run like thief.